Hello, good evening. In this video, I will show you how you can uh, make the backup of the website file with database. Okay. So first, log into the Hostinger and go to the website. Click on the dashboard. Once the dashboard is opened, click on the database in the left side and enter the PHP myadmin. Click here, enter PHP myadmin. Now this is the database of the website. Okay. So from here you have to click the export and click export. So once the export is clicked, you can see that one database file is downloaded into your browser. Okay, so this is the part one from where you have to download the database. Okay, now second part is the file of the website. So go to the files and now go to the public HTML. Now go to the folder. So this is the all the file for the website. Okay, so you have to select all. Make sure you have to unselect the zip file, because zip file is itself a backup file created for other time. Okay, so you have to unselect this zip file. You can also select the zip file because you are already making a backup, so you do not make the backup of backup. Zip file are the backup, so you have to unselect the zip file because we are creating the latest backup. So now I have selected all the files and except the zip file. Okay, now click on the archive and name here the zip folder. Suppose uh, latest backup profile 12 224. Okay, and click on the zip. So wait for some time and it will create a zip. You can see here latest backup file 12. So this is the backup file. Okay, so you have to click here right and download. So you can download the file, uh, backup file from here. So there is two step to backup the site. First one is file of the website and second part is database of the website. So if you have any query regarding this process, you can let me know in the WhatsApp group. Thank you.